Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use eSIM with Mint Mobile. First, verify your phone is eSIM compatible. Most newer iPhones and many Android devices support this feature. Next, make sure your Mint Mobile plan is set up for eSIM activation. You'll typically choose this option during purchase. Finally, expect an email from Mint Mobile containing a QR code. This is crucial for the next steps. Once you have your QR code, open your phone settings and look for the Add Cellular Plan or Add eSIM option. Use your phone's camera to scan the QR code from the email. If scanning is difficult, you can manually enter the SMDP plus address and activation code. Follow any additional on-screen instructions to finalize the installation of your new Mint Mobile eSIM profile. If you encounter issues, first ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection throughout the activation process. A weak signal can cause problems. If your eSIM gets stuck activating, try restarting your phone. This often resolves minor glitches. If these steps don't work, check that your phone is unlocked and contact Mint Mobile customer support for personalized assistance. They can help troubleshoot account-specific issues. Using an eSIM offers several advantages, like instant activation without waiting for a physical SIM card to arrive. It also provides flexibility, allowing you to switch between different cellular plans or carriers with ease, often supporting 2 active lines on one device. This is great for managing personal and work numbers. And speaking of great deals, check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other fantastic offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.